What's good, YouTube family? Today I just wanted to make a video to show you guys how I managed to pass phase 1 of Maven challenge. I took a 5k account and yeah, I just managed to hit 8%, so I decided to make a video. As you guys can see, I managed to make 5.4, which was the target, and my best trade was $66. I think it was on AU or Euro USD, but I'll check. And my win ratio is 58%. You don't need 100% win ratio to win. So yeah, let me just show you guys what happened. As you can see, I took small losses. Then on Euro USD, I took a $14 win. Next up, Euro JPY, yes, I took a $65 profit. I was mainly trading USDs, EU, GU, and AU. So there's another one. USDs, I took a $53 buy setup. I'll probably show you guys the setups after I show you guys all these profits and losses. And I took a USDs again. This was, I think, the same trade where I banked $14 on that one. Sorry. And another one, I took small losses, if you guys can check, because I was swing trading. So yeah, hence the 0.01 entries and 0.03. And there we go again, Euro USD. And here, this is where I took Euro USD, Euro JPY. I took a loss, and I was actually passing the challenge here. So these are my last entries that actually hit phase 1. So yeah, let me just show you guys how I placed my orders. As you can see, we were on a uptrend on H1 on GBP USD. So I was just waiting for market structure break from that uptrend on H1. So here is where I mark my change of character, so that it's actually indicating that the market is going to reverse potentially. So I'm looking to take a sell from here on. So I'm just trying to mark up this area. I just want to type in CH. Yep, change of character. So then after that, I just need the market to reverse back to the order block, as you can see. Yep. So that's where I actually initially placed my order. But if you can check, there's a fair value gap there, right there. If you can check, that's mainly where I took the order all the way to the downside. So I had a fair value gap inside of order block on top of that. So those were like two confirmations already, right after my confirmation of change of character all the way to the downside. So that's where I got my order my order to take a sell and over to the downside. So here, I'm actually looking for Euro USD. Pardon me guys, I have flu, so I'm actually on recovery mode as we speak. Euro USD setup. I'm just going to show you guys another type of setup that I take, which mainly I just repeat the same thing again and again on every pair, but I try to minimize as much pairs as I can now. So I'm only trading Euro USD, GU, and GJ. So yeah, mainly I'll just push the setup back so you guys can see how I took the other setups before mainly this one. Because now structure is shifting to the upside, so I just want to show you how I got the other sell. So that's my setup. I was looking at the previous high and the previous low. If you can check there we go. So that's my H4 on H4 time frame. That was my lower high setup and my lower low. So I was just looking at the setup to take the sell. So what I did was I had to mark up all my zones. So that was my actual order block from where I was looking at the lower high setup. So mainly I just need to see market come back after changing structure all the way from the downside, and then comes back to the the upside, then all the way to the downside. Because mainly that's exactly what happened when I was taking the other setup on GU, like I showed you guys before the setup. So if you can check on your left, that's exactly what happened. Market went down, went up, and then came back down, breaking structure. So there was our change of character, so which means I was looking at the high, the lower high, and then market hitting my order block, then going all the way down to hit my TP. So this is the actual setup that I take on almost every pair that I trade on. Like I said, I only just focus on 3 mainly now, but I focus on simple time frames, H4, then I jump over to H1, then maybe 15 minutes now and then just to check my fair value gaps. But as you can see, guys, it's as easy as it gets. I don't have to complicate anything, no trend lines, no funny business. I just wait for volume, see how market pushes all the way down, comes back to my order block. That's exactly where I get my entry. Then I just hold the trade up until it hits my previous low. Or if I'm taking a buy, I just wait for it to take the previous high. So I try to make everything simple. This is how I trade. This is how I managed to pass phase 1. So I hope this actually helps a lot of you guys. Do let me know if you like this type of content, and thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, if you do like these types of videos, I'll probably post more. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Peace.